guys, welcome back. Made a little progress on my mini bike here. See, I got a throttle on there, got it ran, got it hooked up, got the starter button attached, somewhat secure. I got the fuel tank attached. I built me a seat. I still need to screw it down. Got my kill switch temporarily mounted. Got the fuel line run. Made a pair of spacers for the front wheel so it's spaced properly now. Springs, shocks are attached. Got the chain ran. Just about ready for a test run. The only thing I don't have yet is a set of brakes. I've got to run that, or I've got to purchase a set of brakes for it still. I was going to try to use this set that I had bought already for another project, but the bolt holes are different on this caliper than on the frame. So I got to get something different for that. But anyway, it's ready for a test run, aside from having no brakes. But who needs brakes? Maybe I'll start it up and take it for a little run tomorrow.